Oh, yeah. Looky there, boys. Dadgum, son. That's some clay there, ain't it? Now, that's a core trench. Well, I figure what we're going to do is, for now, I've got to go meet with the power company on this next house we're starting at 11 in Forestdale. So I don't need to leave till 10:30. But to get started, we'll try running 2 haul trucks and see if that's quick, or if we can move quick enough for the core trench. So we'll have Ben in the 8 ripping shit open for me, and then he can run back and forth pushing piles out. Adam can run the compactor,